Thanks for joining me here on the porch. I have received a package and I'm really excited to see what's inside of this thing. I did order a couple of things. Here's my box. Okay. And we shall see what we got this time. And it's an order for the turtles. I just have not been wanting to leave the house for anything. The only reason I did was to go to the bank real quick and drop off my final paycheck. I just love getting packages. I just don't get enough, you know. But this was really important because the turtles needed the supplies really bad. Okay, so we got in here some red shrimp, so they're gonna be happy and they can eat their red shrimp. The stuff smells like, look at this. It has a very intense smell. Let me go open this up, so that's funny. Okay, and I got two, because there's a buy one, get one on the turtle conditioning blocks, and they've made them into little turtles. Put those here. Make it look, there we go. That and that. Yay, my water conditioner also made it, so that's good for the turtles too. Water conditioner, gotta have that, because when you put the water in the tank, you gotta make sure it doesn't have all that chlorine in it. How cool. Look at this package. I don't even know where this is coming from, but what this is it is a atomizing bubble maker. So look, here's the picture of the bubbles that come up. Oh my God, the turtles are gonna be really excited about this because we don't have a bubble maker in the tank, and I've been wanting one of these really bad. It's like an air stone disc, okay, and then it just comes up. Maybe all. What is this? Okay, more turtle water conditioner. Oh, this is what I've been wanting to try. The algae conditioner, because we've been getting like horrid amount of algae in the tank because it's sitting on the porch, and we put one of those fake backgrounds in it that look like, you know, flora and fauna of the sea, and you know, it looks good. I kind of feel bad because the turtles don't get that natural view of outside anymore unless they're basking on top of, you know, the tank. But I gotta do what I gotta do. It just gets so green so fast. Anyway, last but not least, I just couldn't help I had to get something for myself, and I did. I got the next series of the Stephen King graphic novel, and this one is The Prisoner. So here comes Eddie. Yay! I cannot wait to read this and put it back with, I have all of them so far. The next one I should be getting fairly soon. They put a few out every year in this nice hard case. And this has all the episodes from all the smaller comics in this book. So I'm really, really excited about it. I put this right here because it's like completely, totally awesome. Other than that, I'm staying inside, and I have another shipment coming at some point with more turtle food and all that good stuff, and I got some videos that I'll be posting real soon. Don't stand too close to anybody. Don't breathe. Don't do anything. Don't go outside without a mask on. I thought, you know, I mean, like a lot of people thought that we would be back at work within 2 weeks. Well, it's been more than 2 weeks. In fact, I have no idea when I will be going back to work. And the numbers in my state just keep climbing and climbing and climbing. So I try not to get overwhelmed about that. So every now and then it's nice to have something like this to distract me like a box opening session and a great read as well. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go inside and hide for a bit, even though it's nice and sunny outside. I guess that's enough of my box opening rant. I'll see you next time. Bye.